Alright guys, welcome back to Task Force Off-Road. My name is George, and this is Mike, and we're back working on Mike's Subaru again. As you saw in the last episode, we put an exhaust on it, and now we're swapping out the intake for it as well. So Mike got a Grimspeed cold air intake for this guy, and we're going to slap her on. It shouldn't be too hard. Intakes are very, very easy, and a great way to start working on your own vehicle and get a little bit of confidence working under your hood. So sit back, relax, enjoy, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and enjoy it. Hey guys, step number one, remove your little air dam. It's 2 clips. Why are you getting out of the shot?
Jeez, you scared me. I didn't know you were filming.
It beeped.
What beeped?
The GoPro beeped.
I didn't hear a beep.
It beeped.
Oh no. Oh, why? Close that valve.
It's fine. After the air dam, we're going to want to remove our mass airflow sensor, and after our mass airflow sensor, we're going to then start removing the airbox itself. What was that, Mike Spill?
I mean, it is too big. It's just working. Got it. Nothing.
1 bolt.
The sheer will of God.
1 bolt. Just need a little persuasion, guys.
It's just baked on there for however many years. All right, let's try this one. This is just coming right out. So
Okay, yeah, just pull that out.
wait. What are we on? Nothing.
Oh, this is the top. I thought this was the top. Yeah, this is supposed to come out first. Now, pull, turn. This comes out.
Dusty.
And now that's out. What are you doing?
Nothing.
I'm watching you. It's hot. All right, our next step is going to be to install our intake pipe. There is the rubber connector, because for some reason I'm drawing a blank on what the heck to call that thing. Mike's calling it a reducer and a coupler, and both of those are not correct. But the bigger end goes on the actual pipe itself. The smaller end is going to go on your intake manifold before your throttle body. And that's what we're doing right now. Mike's doing this in a very interesting way. I don't see it yet. But he's putting the air filter on first. Also, Grimspeed says put it 1 inch on the pipe, which I think is very stupid to measure out 1 inch, but Mike did it. So just to clarify, so you guys know that it's there. They tell you to do it. I don't think it's necessary. Mike did, so it's on 1 inch. According to Mike, what you got to do is put your intake tube in the hole.
That's what she said. The bat hole.
3 men, 1 intake. I made John laugh. Yes, we can. You know why? I think the gasket you're going to install on your MAF wire, you're going to need to cut it in half to fit it over the wire, because great designs. Now you need 2 people, because I don't see how you're doing this with 1 person. You're going to need like 15 hands.
You're not on the right side.
Alright, so it's been all of like, I don't know, 2 months since we finished installing the cold air intake.
Probably.
Because we went for a test drive and it was super dark, so I didn't bring the camera along. And then we've been really lazy every time we've hung out and just not done this because we forget, or I forget to bring the camera. It's just one of those things. So we're gonna get you some prime wishy boy noises, because even with the stock turbo, stock blow-off valve, the intake and exhaust pair makes it sound so much better. So Mike's about to turn and we're gonna do a fat pull and I'm gonna roll down the window.
Now.
Yeah, now you're good.
Scared the minivan.
So I really hope that comes up well in audio, but goddamn does it sound good. He's gonna do it again at some point, and I'm gonna have them right. Yeah, this is your right. I'm gonna face the camera forwards. That way you can really catch that audio.
My phone!
I love rally cars. They're so much fun. That was great. It sounds, like I said, the pair between exhaust and intake on this car sounds so freaking good.
The lower your MPGs, the better the noises.
It's miles per gallon, guys. That's really what we're going for right now.
We're at 22.5 miles per gallon right now.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post a new video. And I really am going to stress and like e-beg a little bit more that you hit the like button, because then, you know, the video does better in the algorithm and more people see it. So I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. It's a very interesting way to install an intake. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure I'm a fan of the design, but if it works, it works. It's all that matters. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to re-oil whenever you need to re-oil it. So keep that in mind before you make that purchase, because it, you know, when you're spending your hard-earned money on car parts, these two are being goofs right now. This is what happens when your friends come use your garage. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was kind of a fun one. I might throw a clip in here of some whooshy boy noises, because some whooshy boy noises are always fun. And now we have the exhaust and the intake on this car, so it sounds really, really good. Mike's getting some alcoholic beverages, and we're about to jump in the pool because it's hot as Satan's nutsack outside. So take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Maybe we'll get some Task Force rally gear after this. Repping the brands. My mom watches.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since